The starting line, understanding, preliminary round. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English phrases and their meanings. Today, we're unraveling the phrase, preliminary round. This term is commonly heard in competitions and events, but what does it really mean? Stay tuned as we explore its definition, usage, and context in our daily lives. The term, preliminary round, refers to the initial stage or the first phase of a competition, examination, or event. It's like the opening act of a grand performance, where participants showcase their abilities to qualify for the next level. In this round, the field of participants is often narrowed down, setting the stage for more intense competition in the subsequent rounds. Why do we have preliminary rounds? The primary purpose is to filter and select candidates or participants who meet certain criteria or standards. It's a way to ensure that the competition remains manageable and that only the most qualified or talented individuals advance. Think of it as a screening process, separating the wheat from the chaff. Preliminary rounds are not just limited to sports or academic contests. They can be found in various scenarios. 1. Sports tournaments. In the World Cup or the Olympics, preliminary rounds determine which teams or athletes advance to the final competitions. 2. Academic competitions. Spelling bees or science fairs often start with a preliminary round to select the top performers. 3. Job interviews. Companies sometimes conduct preliminary interviews to shortlist candidates for the final, more rigorous interview rounds. Excelling in preliminary rounds requires preparation and strategy. Here are some tips. 1. Understand the criteria. Know what the judges or evaluators are looking for and tailor your performance or presentation accordingly. 2. Practice and prepare. Whether it's a sport, a presentation, or an exam, practice is key to confidence and success. 3. Stay calm and focused. Preliminary rounds can be nerve-wracking, but staying calm and maintaining focus will help you perform at your best. And that's a wrap on understanding the preliminary round. Remember, it's the first step in a journey towards achieving your goals, whether in a competition, a job, or any other challenge. We hope this video sheds light on the significance and strategies of preliminary rounds. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.